How to convert PowerPoint presentation into a PDF file. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can convert PowerPoint PPTX file into a PDF file. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up your PowerPoint presentation. So once you have it, head towards the top left corner and there is this file icon. You have to click on it. Here click on Save As. Now select your location where you want to save your PDF file. For example, I will just save it on my desktop, so select desktop. After that, you have to rename your file. I will just add into PDF at the end, and here under the type you have to click on this drop down. Now from here search for PDF and then click on it. After that, here it says open file after publishing, and then go ahead and click on save button. And with that, your PowerPoint PPTX has been converted into PDF, and you will see this PDF file will be published afterwards. Here you can see .pdf. So that's the way to convert your PowerPoint presentation into PDF file, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.